Welcome back to Overheat, the exterior of a 2026 Mercedes Benz GLE Motorhome. Base vehicle. To preserve the SUV's sporty and sophisticated appearance, the GLE's distinctive aerodynamic design will be kept with only minor modifications. Panoramic windows. To enjoy the surrounding views and give the cabin a sense of space, there should be large windows and perhaps a panoramic sunroof. External storage. Convenient built-in storage for a small tent, outdoor equipment, and other items at the back or sides of the car. Interior design and layout. Ergonomic seats. The front passenger and driver seats may be turned 180 degrees to integrate into the living space. Driving support systems. Bistronic Plus, active steering assist, a 360-degree camera, and the full range of Mercedes-Benz advanced safety and driving assistance ADAS systems. For sleepers that may be converted, the main bed may be made into a clever fold-out bed or a sofa seat space. Kitchen. Energy efficient, small capacity. Refrigerator, freezer, portable or single induction burner, and fold-out sink. Intelligent storage. Cabinets and drawers made to optimize the amount of space available for storing food and culinary tools. Ambient lighting. To create a cozy ambience, use adjustable ambient LED lighting. Use of high-end materials including real wood veneers, Napa leather, aluminum embellishments, and fine textiles. Modern and minimalistic design with a hint of elegance. Performance and engines. The 2026 Mercedes Benz GLE may come with a variety of powerful and efficient gasoline, diesel, or plug-in hybrid PHEV engines in a range of road conditions. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system will offer stability and mild off-road capability. Aerodynamic. Adaptive air suspension offers the best possible ride comfort and leveling of the car when parked. Advanced energy systems, flexible solar panels on the roof, perhaps in addition to a high-capacity lithium-ion battery for self-powered electricity. Connectivity features include USB-C connections all across the cabin.